Hi, this is Devin from Vive Health Customer Service with a quick tutorial video on our detachable shoehorn with sock remover. The device will come separated into two components here. They attach very simply with the buckle. On one end, you have your shoehorn to help you put on your shoes or take them off. On the other end, you have a sock remover hook to help take your socks off. The device is very simple to attach, just connects together with the buckle, but you'll want to make note of the shape of the opening here in the sock remover end. It will only allow the device to be connected together in one direction. So you don't want to connect it to where the curve, the downward curve of the shoehorn and the sock remover hook are on the same side. Because you'll end up just pushing it together. You could get it jammed, you could break the buckle. What you want to do is connect it like so, to where the sock remover hook is on one side and the curve of the shoehorn is on the other. Very simple, very convenient. That's all there is to it. Thanks so much for watching. Give us a thumbs up if the video has been helpful.